This is my first American tour ever, and y'all the first show. So let me see how many people know this shit. I want y'all to finish this line. Russ is the wave now. Russ. Let's go.
Don't waste my time.
We got Russ live at the Island. What's up with it? What's up?
Don't
What's
waste
up?
mine.
What's up? We already sold out. That's what's up. Sold out.
waste mine.
Much more. Sold out. What's your company? We sold out.
Don't waste my time. I ain't got shit to say. I got people for that. Don't waste my time.
Sold out.
Yippee-ki-yay, got to set it off. I'm probably the only one. Yeah. I'm correct when you approach me. I can size you up, taking all the shots like Kobe. Almost 81. Guess I got to play the goalie.
Go and say this song.